Good morning. It is 7:35. I'm trying to do my church planner, and I have my Souls candle. That is the one that you put on Day of Souls, all that week, with the names of everybody that you lost, all the souls, all the departed one. So I'm trying to finish this, and then I think I will go to take care of my sweater. I have to block. I finish, so I want to block that. The weather is trying to change. It's between cloudy, windy. I have to close my blinds. That is what helps me to see what my crazy dog is doing. But it was because some of the lines of the light were coming to my sweater, and if you leave those, it will make the sweater get those lighter lines on the pattern. So it looks big there. Well, it's not like I'm small, but I hope it dries faster here inside the house than in the basement, since it's warm. And for now it will be a little messy here, but I don't have any other space to do this, so I have to hold there. So now I need my yerba mate. Where did I put it? Oh, here. I will make some yerba mate to drink and finish all my planners. Yeah, I will do that. By the way, I forgot to say, today is Friday and it's my day off. And lucky for me, I did a lot of my cleaning yesterday. I only have a few of the laundry going. But I will go to get and just do the ironing. And got water there. I'm trying to keep this stove neat. You know, the last one, I know it was old. Sometimes it gets dirty, but if I can keep this neat, I know that will be more than 25 years. My last step was 25 years. So we still need to finish a lot of things in this kitchen, but we haven't get anybody to take care of the counters. The last person that took care only finished one part, and then this he cut in the wrong way, the wrong size, and didn't fit. The one that goes here also didn't fit, look. So that's the reason we don't have this finish, and we have these parts to finish, but we cannot until we get all the counter done. This is the only one that he did right. Frustrating, but so it's a little expensive and it's a waste. Maybe we can make them be cut to be like cooking boards. I don't know, we will see. Time to make my soup, and I am using the last of the carrots in my garden: ginger, bok choy, celery and onion.
It was available on every street. Equivalent to £1.80 into a tin as you walked in, you were assured the best service and the best coffee. It was in these exciting years that the first opera was also performed in England. It took place at Covent Garden in London.